Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explain how to filtering the data using Java 8 features. Okay, I have sometime interviewer asks how to filtering the how I have list of employee object and I need only female employee list. Okay, I have list of employee object and I need only female employee list. And sometime interviewer ask, I have a list of employee object. I need only male employee name list. Okay, and sometime interviewer ask, I have a list of employee object. I need only female employee whose maximum salary or minimum salary. Okay, this type of question interviewer ask in interview. Okay, so without losing the time, how to solve this type of problem with the help of Java 8 features using the filter method. I can explain you. Okay, okay guys, I already created classes. Okay, first of all I created a employee class, dev employee, and in this employee class there are multiple instance method like integer id, string name, and double salary, and local date and time, gender, and job role. Okay, and I created the constructor to initialize the instance variable. Okay, and I also created the setter and getter method for this class, and I override the toString method. Okay, and I have one more class. This is a public class, employee operation class. In this class I have main method. Okay, I have main method, and I have main method. In main method I created the list of employee. Okay, and adding the list of employee in the list arrays dot as list, and the new, here is the id, here is the name, and here is the salary, and here is the local date and time, and here is the gender, male, female, and here is the job role, software engineer, tester, software engineer, like that. And I create a method sorting with salary. Okay, sorting employee with the salary. Okay, so here I created a method for filtering the employee. Sorry, here for filtering the employee of data. So I call the method. Okay, pass the employee list. If here I create a list of, I have a list of employees. So I have list of employees. First of all I create the stream object. For creating the stream object I call the stream method with the help of list. Okay, list object. So employees dot stream. Here I created the stream object. This is a stream object I created. Okay, after that I call the filter method dot filter. Okay, in filter we can write the predicate logic. Okay, in filter method we can write the predicate logic. Predicate is the function interface. Okay guys, in predicate we can write the conditional check operation. Okay, and in predicate there are only one abstract method, that is test. In test method we can pass one argument and return a boolean value. Okay guys, and so I call the predicate method, filter method, and here I write the lambda expression for one argument and passing the one argument and return boolean. So e dot get job role, get get gender. I first of I my question is, I have list of employee object. I need only female employee list. Okay, in list of female employee list, here is the male and here is the male and female, both are employee. Okay, I want only female employee list. So here I write the lambda expression. E dot is the object reference of employee class. Get gender. Okay, dot gender. Here I collect the string of object. So here is the multiple string class methods we call. Okay, see, so here we call the equals method, equals. Okay, equals and ignore case, I call the equals and passing the string, and here female. And here collect the object dot to string to list to list. So we can collect the data employee list. Which type of employee list? The employee, I need only female employee list. So here I collect the female employee list. I explain once again. First I have list of employee. I create the stream object. After that I call the filter method. In filter method I write the predicate logic. Okay, in predicate we write the conditional check operation. Okay, in predicate only one abstract method, that is test take one argument and return a boolean value. Okay, so here I write the lambda expression. It takes one argument. Which type of argument? Employee class argument. And I write the conditional check operation, like first I getting the gender. Here I getting the gender and I write the conditional check. If gender equal to female, then return true. After that, if true, then he add the data into the list. Okay, and I collect the list of employee who's only female employee, right? So I want to print this data. So list dot for each system dot out println. Okay, here I write the for printing. You can write both system.out.println and passing the list, and here also I using the method differentiation. No, okay. So I want to run this program. First, running this program, I want to explain once again. I have employee class. In employee class there are multiple instance method, and in instance and this instance method I initialize with the constructor, and I here I created the setter and getter method, okay, and here override the toString method, okay. And I have a employee operation class. In employee operation class I have main method, and I created the list of employee, okay, and I created a method filter employee and passing the list of employee. Here I collect the list of employees, and with the help of list of employee I created the stream of object, and stream of object, uh, with the help of stream we can call the filter method. In filter method I write the predicate logic. If employee gender is female, then if then collect to list, okay, and here I printed the data. So I want to run this program, so right click, run program, Java application, okay. I have two females employee. Here I created the employee list of employees. I have two two employees who is female, okay. First Arti and second Sivani, okay, two females employee. So here I collect the two females employee name, full object, okay. So I you understand how to filtering the data. And my second question is, I have list of employee, I need only male employee names, okay. I have list of employees and I need only male employee names list, okay. So for this logic I want to write, and I create one other stream object. So in I create one other stream object, sorry, employees dot stream dot I want to filter, same logic, filter, okay, filter. In filter I write the lambda expression e dot get gender dot equals and in uppercase. Here I pass the string of object male, okay. I want to only, here question is, here is the one other scenario. I need only male employee names, okay. I need only male employee names. So I want to mapping the data, only map the list of name. So I call the map method. I want to map the name, map. In map method we write the function program function, okay. We write the function logic. There are the function interface. There are one abstract method, that is apply, okay. In apply it accept the one argument and a return object, okay. So here I write the logic e dot get employee name, get employee name, get employee name. Okay, and I collect two list. Okay, here only one thing. Here is the map. I want to map the employee name. I want to map the employee name and collect to the list. Okay, understand the question once again. First, I have employee list. I have list of employees, and I need only male employee name list. Male employee name list. Okay, so first of all I create the stream of object, and I want the filter the data whose gender is male. So here I write the filter logic. In filter logic I write the predicate and write the conditional check operation. Condition check operation whose belong to male. Okay, employees whose gender is male, and I want to map the data to name of list. So I want to map the name. So here I call the map method, and in map method I write the apply method. In apply apply in apply in function in function interface there are only one abstract method, that is apply. In apply takes one argument and return object. Okay, here I created the employee object and getting the name and collect two list. So I want assign list employee name. Okay, so I want to print this employee name. Employee dot orange. Okay, I want to run this program. So Java application. So here I getting the employee name whose gender is male. Right? You understand? I explain once again. Here I created the list of employee object and passing the filter employee method. Here I collect the employee list of employees, and here I created the stream object and calling the filter method, and after that mapping the name, and after that collect the list of employee name. You understand? And I have one other question. I have list of employee object. Okay, I need only female employees whose maximum and minimum salary. Interviewer sometime ask, I have list of employee object. Okay, I need only female employee whose maximum and minimum salary. Okay, so first of all I want to filtering the data. For this scenario I want to filtering the data. Okay, for filtering the data I need to call the filter method. First of all I create the stream of object. So employees sorry employees dot stream. Here stream object will be created. Okay, I need to minimum and maximum salary of female. So I need to filtering the data. I need only the female employee list. So filter I need to write the logic e dot get gender dot ignore not equal equals female. Okay, here I getting the only female of data. After that I want to sort this female data with the with respect to salary. Okay, here I want to sort sort sorted method I call, and here I write in sorted method there uh, in comparator interface there are only one abstract method. I write the sorting logic. So here I write the lambda expression. So e1 and passing the two employee arguments e2. Okay, and I write the lambda expression e2 dot get salary get salary minus e1 dot get salary, but okay, right. And here I want to find the maximum salary dot to list dot get because of it dot get sorry dot get dot to list. But here is the type mismatch. So type mismatch, so here I want to typecast. I need to typecast. Okay, so here I want the to list, but here first of all find first dot find first. No need to write to list, sorry, find first, and no need to here I did not collect it, and dot get right. So I want to first of all I understand the question. I have list of employee object. I need only female employee whose maximum salary and minimum salary. So here I write the logic. First I created the stream of object. After that I filtering the data whose only female, whose gender only female. After that I sort the this list of female employees with the help of sorted method. Okay, if you want to custom sorting, then you call only sorted method. If you want to natural sorting, then if you want to natural sorting, then you call only sorted method. If you want to custom sorting, then you write the your logic. Okay, and in here is the logic comparator in comparator interface there are one method, that is compare method. The compare method takes two arguments and expecting and returning the integer value. Okay, here I write the compare method. Okay, in compare method I getting the first salary and minus second salary and return the salary, and here I is the find the first salary and getting the employee list. So I want to collect this employee. I want to print this employee. Yes, why? Yes, so dev employee, dev employee. So here I getting the maximum salary, whose maximum salary, female employee whose maximum salary. So here I getting the 21,000. There are two female employees. Okay, there are two female employees like Aarti, whose salary is 20,000, and Shivangi, whose salary 21,000. I want to maximum salary, so find first. Okay, okay, you want to maximum salary, so you are write the find first. Okay, and if you want to minimum salary, so nothing will happen. You copy and paste and don't write the custom sorting. Don't write the custom sorting. You write only natural sorting and find first. Control yes. You write the natural sorting and find first. Okay. Dev employee 1. You write the natural sorting and find first. So here is the I getting sorry, exception in thread. Sorry guys. So here I write the custom sorting in descending order. So I want to run this program, Java application. Here I collect the maximum salary and here I collect the minimum salary. Okay, female employee. Okay, so I think you understand the how to filtering the data, how to mapping the data, and how to sorting the data. We can meet another video in my next lecture. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel and share this video to help